Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, tie your hairs nicely into this section and then pull it inside out. Now take another section of your remaining hairs and then pull it inside out very nicely and gently. It will be looking like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then repeat the exact same process we have done earlier. Now take all the hairs and then make the braids out of it as shown in the video and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and make a cute little bun. Attach it nicely with the help of a hairpin and then it's all done. For the next one, take your hairs into section and then tie it nicely and pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. It will be looking like this. Now divide the hairs into two sections and then again two sections. Now pull it inside out very nicely and gently and then bring it all together and again tie it. Now make a bun out of it, attach it properly with the help of a hairpin, accessorize it and it's done. For next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and divide the hairs into three sections. Now start making the braids out of it as shown in the video and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now pull out the hairs from the braids and then make the bun out of it and then attach it nicely with the help of a bun clip and it's all done. For next one, tie your hairs nicely with the help of the rubber band or the elastic. Now loose your hairs as shown in the video and then wrap it around very nicely and gently so that it will look like this. Bring your hairs all together and then take a scrunchie and tie it very nicely as it will look like this and then fix your hair and then it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then divide the ponytail into two sections. Now take another section and then start making the braids out of it as it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then take the smaller sections out of it and keep adding it to the braids as shown in the video. Do it very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this. Now once you are complete with one portion, take another portion and then keep taking the smaller sections out of it and then keep adding it to the braids very nicely and gently. Now once you are complete on the another side, wrap it around very slowly and then take another section of your hair and keep taking the smaller sections out of it as shown in the video. Do it very nicely and neatly so that it will look like this. Once you are complete with that, your braids will look like this and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic till the end. Now bring it all together and then attach it nicely with the help of a hair clip and then accessorize it nicely as shown in the video and fix your hair very properly and then attach the hair clip from all the sides as shown in the video. Accessorize it and it's all done. For next one, take the section of your hair, tie it and then do it as shown in the video. Now take the smaller section out of it and then attach it to the strings as shown. It will be looking like this. Once you are complete with that, tie it nicely with the help of a scrunchie and then it's all done. It's cute, right? Thanks for watching.